Assalamu alaikum to all my beloved teachers and respected audience. How are you all? I hope you all are great, and I'm also great by the Almighty Allah. This is Yasin from Bangladesh, once again before you with a new presentation. So let's begin without ado. My presentation topic is the holy month of Ramadan. Today I'm going to tell you why the holy month of Ramadan is important for Muslims. Firstly, it is the best of all months. Secondly, the Quran was revealed in this month. Thirdly, it is a month of blessing, mercy and forgiveness. The Ramadan month consists of either 30 days or 29 days, and during every single day of this month we observe one fast. The Ramadan month is truly full of blessings. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من القرآن والهدى. Then the doors of heaven are opened and the doors of hell are closed. Shaitan is chained up. Rewards are multiplied from 10 to 700 times. There is a night called Laylatul Qadr, which is better than 1000 months. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, "O you who have believed, fasting has been prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, that you may become righteous." Ramadan month gives us a short summary, that is, take hold of your iman and stay away from shaitan. Thank you so much for listening to me and watching to me. See you in the next presentation. Allah Hafiz.